moment no one saw, when everything became too much, and somehow you stayed. Not the same, not untouched, but still carrying something you refused to lose. You didn't leave her behind, you brought her with you. The girl who felt too deeply, who loved without defense, who broke and opened, she's still here. Luisa, you are not what you feel, you are how you hold it. Every piece, every storm, every softness you kept, you made it belong. Luisa, nothing in you was wasted, nothing had to disappear. You became the place where all of you can live. They tried to name you by moments, too much, too intense, too soft, but you were never a reaction. You were the way you return, the way you look again without turning away, the way you forgive without abandoning truth. You don't silence the feeling, you don't become the pain, you let it speak and still remain. Luisa, you are not what you feel, you are how you hold it. Joy and sorrow side by side, and neither one controls you. Luisa, no part of you rejected, no love held back in fear. You became the ground where all of you is real. There is a woman in you now who sees from above, not distant but clear. She gathers the child, the chaos, the beauty, the doubt, and gives them a place without letting them lead. You don't erase, you reorganize. You don't escape, you stay. Luisa, 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 anchor beneath everything, unshaken, not untouched, but rooted in love. Luisa, this is what you always were, not divided, not reduced, but whole. And maybe this is you too.